welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm just coming to you with this quick upcycle of this beautiful floral teardrop that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. You would have seen it in one of my previous hauls. I am going to use this either on my door or on my dining room table as a centerpiece. I have not yet determined which one it will be, but what I want to do for sure is to incorporate some of the rose gold color in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a couple of ornaments with that color. So I'm going to add this one, this beautiful one right here, and a plain one which is the same color, which is this one. So basically I'm just going to add two of them, one here, and I'm going to add the other one here. So it will look a little bit odd, which is fine. I totally like that look. It has the three gold ones in the center that came with the wreath, but I'm just going to add two more to just incorporate the pop of color. What I want to show you today is how I attach the ornaments onto the wreath. Now, initially I was going to glue it on, but then after thinking about it, I don't want it to be on there permanently, and I just want to be able to take it off when I'm ready, if I do choose to use the wreath in another fashion or another color for a later time. So I didn't want to use the hot glue and glue it on and then create a little mess. So what I'm doing is I'll be using this very small, like a dowel that you use for like to make kebabs. I got a full pack of these at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use that instead of gluing it on, and then just kind of using it as a miniature pick to put inside of the wreath. Okay, so I'm just going to break this in two, a little bit more than a half. That way I have a nice enough length to feed all the way into the wreath itself. So I'm just going to pop it just like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hot glue gun and get some glue inside. I've already snapped off that piece that's used for hanging. Just going to use my hot glue gun, get some glue in here. And I'm just going to wait for a little bit until it gets a little bit tacky or it starts to harden. And then I'm going to stick the dowel in, just like so. Okay, at this point it's actually touching the other side. Just going to add a little bit more glue to the top of it to make sure that it's sturdy, so that when I put it in the wreath, it does not move around. Just like that. Okay, so now I'm just grabbing my wreath here, and I'm just going to find the spot where I want to put this ornament, and I'm just going to feed it all the way in till it's nice and tight. Just like that. So I'm just going to do the same thing with this second ornament, and I'm going to place it here, and then when I come back we're going to look at how they are styled. I'm actually doing two of these. So upon putting this one in, I'm going to fluff it up a little bit, and then I'll show you how I style it. And here they are on my front door, guys. It is super noisy outside, so please excuse all the traffic going by. But just wanted to show you what it looks like on my front doors. I think they're beautiful, and that little pop of color just kind of sets it off. Okay guys, so this is the second way I've styled it. This is just kind of like a mock-up to a table. I'm using the counter in my kitchen, but this is what it would look like if I used it as a centerpiece on my table. I think it is absolutely gorgeous with these candle and these Christmas trees that I have added to it as a centerpiece. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know which one you guys prefer. If you like it on my front doors or if you like it more as a centerpiece. All right, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I truly do appreciate you. This is really, really simple. The wreaths were already beautiful, but just wanted to show you how you can incorporate your own colors to make it even that much more beautiful. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly do appreciate you. And I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't you forget to hit that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload a video. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, thank you so much. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi saying love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.